Hello and welcome to Data Engineering with Subhadeep. In today's video, we are going to walk through a complete career roadmap for aspiring data engineers from the absolute beginning all the way to a senior level role. First, let's quickly define the role. A data engineer is responsible for creating the digital plumbing for a company. They build robust, scalable pipelines to move data from various sources to a central system like a data warehouse or a data lake, where it can be used for analytics and decision-making. Every journey starts with a strong foundation. For a data engineer, this means mastering two core languages. First is SQL, the universal language for interacting with databases. Second is Python. Its versatility makes it perfect for everything from simple scripts to complex data processing logic. Beyond languages, you need to be comfortable with the environment where your code lives. This means learning Linux and shell scripting, as most servers are Linux-based. Additionally, you must use Git for version control. It is crucial for managing your codebase and collaborating with others. With the fundamentals in place, you are ready for your first role as a junior data engineer. Here, your focus will be on execution. You will write simple ETL scripts, maintain existing systems, perform data quality checks, and learn the ropes by debugging and fixing issues under supervision. A typical junior-level project would be to build a simple ETL pipeline. For instance, you might write a Python script that pulls data from a public API using the requests library, cleans it up with pandas, and then loads it into a relational database like PostgreSQL. You would then use a basic scheduler like cron to run this script every day. To move beyond the junior level, you must embrace the cloud. Modern data stacks are built on cloud platforms like AWS GCP or Azure. You need to become proficient with their core services for storage like S3, or Google Cloud Storage Compute like EC2, or virtual machines and managed databases. As a mid-level data engineer, your responsibilities expand significantly. You are now designing and building pipelines, not just maintaining them. You'll start working with terabytes or even petabytes of data. This requires learning new tools like Apache Airflow for workflow orchestration and Apache Spark for distributed data processing. A mid-level project involves more moving parts and scale. For example, you might build a data pipeline orchestrated by Airflow. This pipeline would automatically pick up large files from cloud storage, process them with a distributed Spark job to handle the volume, and then load the clean transformed data into a cloud data warehouse for analysts to use. To prepare for a senior role, you need to learn advanced concepts. This includes tools like dbt, which has revolutionized the data transformation space by allowing you to build tested and version-controlled data models with just SQL. You also need to explore the world of real-time data streaming with technologies like Kafka and Flink. Finally, at the senior data engineer level, your role shifts from just building to architecting. You are now responsible for the high-level design of the entire data platform. Your focus is on long-term strategy, data governance, security cost optimization, and mentoring the entire team. Strong communication and leadership skills become just as important as technical skills. A senior-level project is often about design and architecture rather than just implementation. For example, you might be tasked with designing a real-time analytics platform. This involves making critical decisions like choosing the right streaming ingestion technology, the best processing engine, and the optimal database for serving low-latency dashboards while also considering costs and scalability. So here's the complete roadmap at a glance. You start with the fundamentals of SQL, Python, and essential tools. Then you grow into a mid-level role by mastering orchestration, big data, and cloud data warehousing. Finally, you advance to a senior position by focusing on architecture, real-time systems governance, and leadership. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips for your journey. First, always be learning. Technology in this field evolves rapidly. Second, build a portfolio of personal projects to showcase your skills. And third, don't neglect your soft skills. Clear communication is crucial for working effectively in a team. Thank you for watching. I hope this roadmap gives you a clear path to follow in your data engineering career. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to Data Engineering with Subhadeep for more tutorials. See you in the next video.